ngarang numidang khangudana Bisnupur district ke manung channa IDP singna masagi mayumda hanjinduna leiba hokraba Pawgakchau Ikai Torbung area da Surasanpur Maikaitigi Kuki militant singna akan mamongda attack chatharakiba thongbu National People's Party NPP Manipur state ki legislature leader Oriba Mayanglambam Rameshwar na akan mamongda yaningda fongdorakli kaksing maka lauda leiba MLA gi yumda pangthokpa pawmi singa unaba mada MLA Mayanglambam Rameshwar na makhatana fongdokladuna Hai Manipur tangdu leitaba puraknaba leiriba lenga usina kan honaduna IDP singna masa masagi mayumda hanjinduna leinaraklaba madi center lenga honaduna community ani gi marakta peace process chathaba hawrakraba matung ngarang kuki singna chatharakiba thong adubu peace process asibu thugaina bhonrakpani maramasina ngarang gi attack adura chenaba miyu sing lenga usina matik chaba sairak piu security gi intelligence ki ason ba thong na chatharakiba thong asi matungda de amukhanna thoktanaba ahen protection thawrang paliba lenga usina paket piu MLA na makhatana hai haukiba chahi lisingani kulumdoi ki me thadagi hawrakiba Manipur irang asina ngasi fawba Manipur miyam asi aduki matik awaba kaya mayokna duna lagli miyam gi awaba si kokhannaba mahusagi tangdu leitaba Manipur adu amuk hanjilaknaba lengakna chatharagliba peace process asida community amatana ayetba pibigano haina so appeal tormi.
I appeal to the present government that people who are involved in such an act, who is trying to disrupt and derail the peace process, which has been going on for months, with an understanding among all the communities, should be punished and should be given, set an example so that no other factors disrupt the peace process. I would also like to request the present government that necessary precautionary measures should be taken so that there are no intelligence lapses whereby such unfortunate, unwanted incidents happen, where the peace of the general people is disturbed.